Magandang buhay, kids! So today, let us continue our lesson about fraction. Today, we will going to learn on how to add similar fraction. So I already introduced to you similar and dissimilar fraction. But today, we will going to discuss about addition of similar fraction. Let's start with our first example. Our first example is 4 nines and 3 nines. So 4 nines plus 3 nines is equals to 7 nines. So paano ginawa yan, teacher? Dahil meron tayong parehong denominator, just copy the denominator sa inyong sum. And then, proceed kayo sa ating numerator 4 plus 3. The sum is 7. So, ang sagot natin ay 7 nines. Next. Two fifths plus 1/5 is equals to 3/5. Okay, again. Tingnan maigi ang denominator. Kaya nga po tayo ay nasa similar fraction, ibig sabihin nun, ang denominator ay pareho ang value. Now, para sa inyong sagot, just copy your denominator. Isulat lamang sa baba ng fraction bar ang sagot, which is 5. And then proceed kayo sa numerator. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So, your final answer is 3/5. Okay. Another example, mga anak. So, we have here 4/8 plus 2/8 is equals to unknown. Unang-una, tingnan mabuti ang ating denominator. Pareho po silang 8. Therefore, isulat ang sagot, 8. Dito po sa ilalim or sa ibaba ng fraction bar. Now, proceed tayo. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Mga anak, while doing the fraction, addition of fraction, pwede natin i-convert into simplest form ang ating sagot. Just like this, we have 6 and 8 for our answer. Now, think of a number that our numerator and our denominator is both divisible by. In this case, 6 and 8 are both divisible by 2. So, i-divide natin siya sa 2. Next, proceed tayo sa ating division. So, 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. And 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. So, 3/4 ang ating final answer. Next, we have 3 nines plus 4 nines is equals to unknown. So, copy the denominator because we are talking about similar fraction. And then, proceed tayo. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. So, final answer natin is 7 nines since wala tayong number na pwede pang i-divide. Okay? Next. We have 4 sevens plus 2 sevens is equals to unknown. Since similar fraction tayo, just copy the denominator, 7. Proceed tayo sa numerator. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So that is our final answer. Hindi na natin siya maire-reduce pa. Next, we have 3/5 plus 2/5 is equals to unknown. So just copy the numerator and then proceed. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Mga anak, pareho po ang value ng numerator at denominator. Ano ang gagawin natin? I-divide lang natin. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. And 1 is our final answer. Now, let's proceed with our and for your activity, you will going to practice at home para ma-master ninyo ang inyong mga natutunan today. So, ia-apply ninyo kung ano yung natutunan. Mga anak, i-apply ninyo kung anong natutunan ninyo. I only prepared here 3 numbers. So, for number 1, we have 1/5 plus 3/5 is equals to unknown. Number 2, 1/3 plus 2/3 is equals to unknown. And number 3, 4/7 plus 1/7 is equals to unknown. So, i-apply ninyo kung ano yung natutunan ninyo. Isulat ninyo sa inyong notebook ang solution. I-check natin pagdating natin sa school. Okay, kids. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. It's me again, Teacher Cheryl.